Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of removing the location filter from your search results in X. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to expand your search and explore content from anywhere around the globe. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Locate the search icon in the bottom drawer and tap on it to initiate a search. Step 3. Enter your desired search query to find what you're looking for. X is a vast platform, so let your curiosity guide you. Step 4. Now, let's remove the location filter. Tap on the sliders icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 5. From the available options, select Anywhere to remove the filter that restricts your search results to a specific location. By following these simple steps, you can remove the location filter from your search results in X and explore content from anywhere in the world. It's a great way to discover diverse perspectives, cultural insights, and global trends. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to remove the location filter from your search results in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.